G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're having a look at the Invisible Shield glass screen protector for the Galaxy Note 9. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Alright everyone, here we go. Here is our Invisible Shield glass curve screen protector. Curve impact and scratch protection. Case friendly touch sensitivity. Smudge resistant, easy application. So I'm going to try and follow the instructions for this. I don't know how I'll go, but it's been a while. Look, I actually don't believe in these glass screen protectors. I think your screen on your phone is strong enough, especially on these high-end devices, but it was included in the package when I bought the Note 9 about 2.5 months ago, and it's 9H hardness. Enough of my bloody opinion. Let's just see if it works or not. There's the screen protector. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Get rid of the rubbish as we go. Dust removal sticker. Wet wipe. Instructions. Consigne de application de l'Invisible Shield. Just joking. English. Clean device. Thoroughly clean your device. That makes it look pretty clean. You do have to align the two teeth up with the top of your screen, just like so. Check the corners, make sure they're properly in place. You can see on this side, you've got your Bixby button and your volume button. On this side, you've got your power button. Step 3, peel away the clear protection film labelled number 1. Do not touch the exposed surface, just like so. Then use the Easy Apply tabs to place your Invisible Shield into the Easy Apply tray and onto your phone. Make sure the speaker cutouts align properly. Just like so. Push down on the center to push out any air. Doesn't look like there's any air in there. Hold in place and press firmly around the edges to make sure you press at the top and bottom as well as all along the curved edges. Ooh! And then remove this. Okay, and you know what? I can't really see any dirt underneath it or air trapped, which is pretty cool. What do you think? Does that look like it's good? It's very smooth to touch, like it feels smoother than the actual phone did. So yeah, it feels good. It's not blocking anything up the top. So the camera, the speaker, the microphone, the sensors are all visible. And it's not affecting anything from either side or either edge, which is pretty cool. Seems to be working well. I'm impressed so far. Here's going to be the real challenge, is when I get a case. Let me find a case. I'll go a tricky one. Alright, so here we have a heavy duty case. This is the spec case. It's heavy duty. If anything's going to not work, it'll probably be with this case. Now generally what will happen is you put on a case and the screen protector will pop off your device. Let's see if that happens. And it hasn't. That fits really well. I'm actually quite impressed with that. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I have to stop the video and tell you that there is problems with this. I was halfway through filming and I thought this is great, then play around with it for a little bit. And we've got some problems here. The main problems are on the sides, especially in the top left-hand corner and bottom right-hand corner, there's some touch issues. So if I go into an app, say open my messages app and go backwards, I can't press that back button, or I can, but I have to do it about 7 or 8 times before it registers that I've touched it. This poses problems as well when I'm using the keyboard, I'll be typing away and it's not registering properly. It's not as responsive as when without the glass screen protector, which for me is not cool. I'll be ripping this off right now because it's that frustrating. So it's a shame because everything else about it is really good. I mean, it looks nice. It feels really smooth. Swiping down from the top and up from the bottom, it registers. And if I swipe in from the sides, it registers. But just that really quick typing, it's just not working for me. It's just not responsive enough. There's too much pressure is required to get the accuracy that I want. And when you're trying to go back out of an app and you can't, it's really annoying as well. So I'll be taking it off. Unfortunately, Invisible Shield, it ticks 9 out of 10 boxes. The 10th one is a deal breaker. So no links down the bottom for this one. I'd love to get a bit of commission for selling it, but I'm not interested in getting commission for something that doesn't work. That's it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you appreciate my honesty with you when making this video. There is problems with this screen protector. Don't buy it. Keep your screen bare. It's the best way to go. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.